Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Shopify Admin API using OAuth, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Shopify Admin API using OAuth, start by registering your app on the Shopify Partner dashboard. Log into your Shopify Partner account and navigate to your Apps section. Click on Create App to begin the registration process. Fill out the required details, such as app name and app URL. Specify the redirect URI, which will be used for OAuth callbacks. Once completed, save your changes. Now, note the API key and secret key provided after app registration. These credentials will be essential for the OAuth process. Next, you'll need to initiate the OAuth flow by constructing the authorization URL. This URL will include your API key, the scopes you wish to request, and the redirect URI. Direct users to this URL to prompt them to log in and approve your app. After the user grants permission, Shopify will redirect them back to your specified redirect URI. This redirection will include a temporary code as a query parameter. Capture this temporary code from the redirect URI. Now, it's time to exchange this code for a permanent access token. To do this, send a POST request to the Shopify token endpoint. Include the temporary code, your API key, your secret key, and the redirect URI in the request body. If successful, Shopify will respond with an access token. Store this access token securely, as it allows you to make API calls on behalf of the user. You can now use this access token to authenticate API requests to the Shopify Admin API. Make sure to add the access token to your request headers for authentication. Test your setup by making a sample API call to retrieve shop information. If everything is configured correctly, you should receive a response containing the shop's details. This completes the OAuth authentication process with the Shopify Admin API. You are now equipped to interact with the Shopify API securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.